Have you ever washed your face and still felt like your skin wasn't completely clean? If you wear sunscreen every day, spend most of your time outdoors, and you have oily skin, then your regular face wash may not be enough. In this video, we will show you how to double cleanse with oil-based cleansers and follow up with water-based cleansers for a deep and gentle cleanse. Begin with completely dry hands and a dry face. Take 2 to 3 pumps of the Face Shop Rice Bright Cleansing Oil and gently massage it all over your face using circular motions for about a minute. This helps dissolve sunscreen, excess oil, makeup, and other oil-based impurities sitting on your skin. Now add a small amount of lukewarm water to your palm. You'll notice the oil turn into a milky texture. This process is called emulsification, and it's what helps lift away impurities before rinsing. Continue massaging for another 20 to 30 seconds, then rinse thoroughly. Next, cleanse your skin with the Face Shop Vitamin C Brightening Foaming Cleanser. Take a pea size onto your palm, emulsify with water, and massage it into damp skin for about 30 to 60 seconds before rinsing with lukewarm water. This second cleanse removes all remaining residue while leaving your skin feeling fresh and thoroughly clean. Continue your skincare routine. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now your skin is perfectly prepped for the rest of your routine. Pro tip: don't rush with the cleansing oil. Spend at least a minute massaging into your skin before you emulsify with water. The more you massage, the more effective it is to remove your sunscreen, oil buildup, dirt and impurities clogging your pores. Double cleansing is done as a part of your evening routine to remove your sunscreen and makeup. For morning routine, a gentle cleanser is enough unless your skin feels particularly oily. Double cleansing helps remove sunscreen, excess oil, and daily buildup more effectively. Deep cleanse pores without stripping your skin. Reduce congestion caused by leftover impurities. Prepare your skin to absorb the rest of your skincare routine more effectively. This combination of the Face Shop Rice Bright Cleansing Oil and the Face Shop Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser is a great way to start. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!